Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I thought I would share a few techniques that I've been using and practicing to create my own morning ritual. Now, your ritual can be any time of the day. It can be in the early mornings, it can be late at night, or a specific time during the day. I know many of you, like myself, have looked at other videos that show such a perfect morning routine, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing, and it motivates you to want to do the same as well. But for me specifically, I would follow almost their exact template and also add in things that I knew I wanted to do or practice doing, but then I would feel a little overwhelmed with all of the things that I had to do and then trying to include what I wanted to do, so much to the point where it would leave me discouraged or even unmotivated to even do it or complete it. And then I would just beat myself up throughout the day for not even being able to commit to a routine in general. So I decided to create my own template, and I hope that this template actually helps you create your own ritual. I've went ahead and called my routines rituals lately. I feel like ritual brings a little bit more of like the magic within what you're doing, and it brings a little bit more of intention. So I like calling them rituals. You can call them routines. You can call this whatever it is that you like. But I hope that you enjoy this video, as this video is going to show you how to create your own routine or ritual specifically tailored to you. So the number one thing you want to do is make a list. When you make a list, you want to make a list of all of the things you either are looking to do, wanting to do, or haven't had any real time to do it. And especially now with the way that things are, we're kind of just stuck at home. And I think this is the perfect way to kind of help keep things interesting and to help you connect more with yourself and what it is that you truly enjoy doing. The second thing that you want to do is take time to think about when you actually want to practice your ritual. This can be anytime throughout the day. This can be in the early morning or late at night. Whatever it is that works best for you, choose a time in the day when you think would best suit you to practice your ritual. Third thing that you want to do is actually create the space or schedule a time to practice your ritual. Now for me, I decided I wanted to begin my rituals in the morning. So what I did was I actually wrote out the time when I started work, and then I moved backwards. So based on that actual timeline that I created for myself, it showed that I had at least 1 to 2 hours, depending if I actually woke up on time to do and practice my rituals. Since I've created that buffer time, I know I have enough time to move around. So if I decide to wake up one morning, I want to journal first, then I'll go ahead and journal first. There's no real first thing for me that I have to do first. For me, I like more of that flexibility within what I enjoy doing. That way it feels less like a chore and just more enjoyable for me. You may have created a very thorough schedule, whether you even give yourself an estimated timeline. You even just may give yourself 5 to 30 minutes before you actually begin your day. You want to go ahead and do what feels right. Sometimes you may feel like you want to accomplish a lot of things in the morning, but I also think that's not really setting you up for success. If you are new to routines, I would just pace yourself into it. You gain more of a habit to wake up in the morning and do these things. You may be able to add on the rest of your list that you originally wrote out. Next thing that you want to do is trust and adjust. Now, this is a really important tip. I kind of have to remind myself that trust what it is that I know will work for me, and that if it doesn't, I'm okay to adjusting my schedule. Remember not to put so much pressure on yourself, especially for those who are very new to routines or rituals in general. It's okay if you seem to feel overwhelmed. It's okay to adjust your schedule a little bit. Do what feels right for you. You're the one who is essentially creating a space for you just to connect with yourself. Again, this is your space. This is your time these are the things that you enjoy. There shouldn't be all of this pressure to get it all done. You're not really sure how long things will actually take or how much you really enjoy doing something and how much more time you realistically want to give that specific project or hobby. Just trust that whatever it is that you need to adjust will feel right for you, and remember just not to compare yourself to someone else's routines. You are also learning this new process and you are also creating a space for you. So it doesn't matter how many things you have within your morning or your time, just know that you are taking action to the first step in putting you first. But trust that as you continue to build a habit, you'll continue to get better, you'll feel more confident, you'll be able to add more things on slowly but surely. We're given the time to actually connect back with ourselves and just do things that we love. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of routine you'll be doing or the kind of things that you enjoy doing. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope it inspired you to connect back with yourself and the things that you enjoy doing. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Stay inspired and stay connected. Bye!